Evening, guys. I'll log in my other laptop, then we can start. I just got a message from Hey, hello. I just got a message from one of the students saying that, sir, my school is preparing the apparatus for vitamin C. Means confirm already lah. Ayo, I tell you, students are very informative. As far as getting tips is concerned. Mind blowing. Our teacher just confirmed that she's preparing for potato and sucrose solution. I think sucrose and potato solution is still okay because you just refer back to last week that short session I did. She kept saying about electronic balance. Yeah, then it is because memang ni electronic balance. I heard vitamin C for SPM also. Whoa. We are talking about percubaan. Don't scare everyone with SPM. Okay, so guys, first thing to now again. So if my school did that last week. Last week is what? The energy value one, right? Are you from BU4? So guys, if your teacher say it's energy value, you refer back to last week that first part of the recording whereby I showed Ju Hong's paper 3, which was simple Okay, now I'm going to share this Okay, this is okay, guys, before I start vitamin C, I just want to take a few minutes to do energy. This one is, what is this? This is another one. This is another one. This is energy value. Ju Hong's one was potato strip, sorry. Ju Hong's one was potato strip. So if you want to look through the potato strip, you just refer. I think there's nothing to study. There's nothing to study because why? At the end of the day, 3 potato strip, we want one like roughly no change, one becomes smaller, lighter, lebih ringan, another one bigger lah. Why lighter? Water move out. Why heavier? Lebih air masuk. There's nothing, guys. I don't see a reason for you not to score well if keratan ubi kentang keluar. Serious, guys. Serious. Vitamin C, yes, that's what I'm covering for you after this. Okay, energy value, Form 4 Chapter 9. This is, I don't know, Penang. So you see, this one here, they show you. Because at the end of the day, we want to check what is the rise in temperature. The higher the rise in temperature means more energy. Okay, so prepare the apparatus, weigh the kacang gajus, which is the cashew nut. Okay, this one also use electronic balance lah. This one also can be using electronic balance lah. Okay, then after that they tell you the amount of distilled water, record initial temperature, then burn it, place it here, because again we want to record the rise in temperature. So kacau air supaya so that the temperature is uniform. Tukar air ulang, repeat for roti kering. Then hitung means calculate. Here they give you the energy value, the formula. Okay, so a bit of common sense lah, guys. Comparing bread and kacang tanah. Okay, comparing bread and kacang tanah, groundnut, the energy value of kacang tanah will be higher. Yeah, but now I just want to use 1 minute to say this. Just now, a student who is not my student kept asking me about paper 3. Kept asking. This student, I think maybe bought one book. The student bought one book, then asked my staff for my program, then asked all the program, then asked this one can give discount, that one can give discount. This was 2 months ago. Then she didn't join anything. Then which is fine lah. I don't, as you know, I don't care one. I don't force people to join my class one. Then just now the same thing. No, she kept asking, but some things, guys, I can tell you a bit via WhatsApp, Then you still have to explore all this yourself. I told her this, and I'm going to tell you the same thing. I'm not too worried about the questions for your Amali. I'm worried about whether you know how to carry out or not. Because your pengendalian radars, how you handle your apparatus, if you do it the wrong way, your values vary too far, then your Amali KO already. If you're expecting high score, Okay, look at this. Then she asked me one question, which I think I want to mention here also. Sir, do you think the current KSSM paper 3 is tougher than last time? I don't think so. I think it is 30-40% easier because less questions to answer now. Pemerhatian, what's the observation? Guys, just to share with you, where's my pen? Okay, here. So observation, observation here, you have to mention values. Okay, when the mass of food, fried bread is this much, the energy value is this much. Okay. So here, what the answer is referring to is this. Dried bread, not fried bread. Why go and write fried bread? Alamak. Okay, never mind. Now look. So look here, guys. On the left, when this much of dried bread, okay, when there's this much dried bread, the energy value is 1.354. Now, for me, if we follow back the old syllabus, this is still 0. Can anyone tell me what's the problem? What's the problem? In the old syllabus, this is still 0. Look at the blue words. Tell me why. Hey guys, very simple only. You also know one. Right, wrongly, no. It's the value, guys. The value. Okay, now take note. Observation. Please do not compare. Okay. Hey guys, I tell you, my strength is paper 3. I need to let you know. My strength is paper 3. My students last time 50 marks score 47, 48, 49, got 50 out of 51. They follow my method. Okay, so never mind that. Pemerhatian, do not compare. Means what? Do not say higher, do not say lower. So what do I do? Please just state the values. Don't go and talk about, this one higher, that one lower. No need. So why don't state values here? Because that's what you do in inference. Whenever, trust me guys, when there's observation, there's inference. High chance up, very high chance up. Last time, 100% of the paper 3 questions, the moment observation straight away must be inference. So inference here is where you compare. So what do you mean by compare? You state higher or lower, okay? You state higher or lower. So you can see, the the amount of heat energy released lower when there's less dried bread. Or the lipid, yeah, give a reason. Why lower? Because the fat content lesser. So after you compare, it can give a reason. Last time also like that. This one no problem, guys. Manipulated the type responding that the increase in energy. This one is increase in temperature. This one better. Okay, hypothesis. I am also worried for you all. Hypothesis here, you can compare groundnut higher energy value. Can. Because why? You all are very used to the primary school hypothesis. Higher, lower, higher, lower. Anything else other than that, you find it hard to write. Okay. Something much. Okay, then the last part. Wow, got this one. Operational definition. Operational definition, you always give a definition, a simple definition. Then, okay, my method, guys, I want to make it very clear. My method, your teachers want confirm okay also. Because got a few ways to do, but I really love my method. So let me tell you what my method is. After you give a definition, I like to write this, determine or shown or measured by RV. We can copy this, guys. Then affected by MV. Please copy this. Oh, here got answer. Alamak, here got answer. Now, energy value is the amount of energy released by that two food when completely burned. You see, I like it one sentence. Sometimes teachers teach two sentences. This is shown by increased temperature. That is, means like that. Okay, energy value is the amount of heat released when we burn these two, shown by increase in water temperature affected by this one. That's exactly the same definition, RV and V. I like it one sentence, so therefore I full stop here. Because how often you see definition dua ayat. Okay. So I'm teaching you the answering technique more. What I'm talking about now is more about the answering technique. Okay, guys. Now, let me show you the slide for vitamin C. Vitamin C not easy to do. Not easy. Especially if they give you the DCPIP, the concentration lari. Wow, you will take a long time to decolorize it. Okay. Vitamin C. Guys, I'm teaching you the experiment. I'm teaching you the experiment. Because here I taught you the Q&A. New share. Guys, you see, vitamin C, we call it, if they give wrong concentration, teacher have fun. Say prepare the standard solution. Oh, I see. Okay, so vitamin C here, another name ascorbic acid. Okay, vitamin C here, another name ascorbic acid. Now, to test for vitamin C, by now you definitely know we need DCPIP. What is the challenge here? The challenge is, okay, so guys, DCPIP here is blue in color. DCPIP here is blue in color. The challenge here is, this is the one of the challenge. We need a certain amount only can decolorize the DCPIP. That's why if you have done in school before, wow, sir, I took 15 minutes to decolorize the DCPIP. Yeah, it takes a certain amount, a certain minimum amount to decolorize it. So it's very normal if you find that, wow, sir, I never done the experiment before, percubaan is my first time, then very hard to decolorize, you know, sir. It's normal. All right, it's normal. Sir, that day I do the experiment, very hard to see color. Yeah, that's a little possible. That's why depending on what juice you're using. Yeah. Guys, have a look, I insert again. I show you the video. I failed this experiment. Guys, have a look. This is concentrated vitamin C. On the right hand side, you can see there are two test tubes, right? The right hand side one is more concentrated. The right hand side one is more concentrated. Don't forget to shake. Don't forget to shake. Don't forget to shake. Hey, Matish, not you shake. Sounds so wrong. I mean the test tube. Huh? Zoom kicked me out due to Wi-Fi problem. What question? You see, guys, it's a lot. You see, this is the original volume. Wow, need so much. Need so much. This is concentrated vitamin C, you know. Okay. Did I join late? Matish, read the WhatsApp group. I don't like to repeat. I don't like to repeat whatever is in the WhatsApp group. Yeah, it's time wasting. If you don't read WhatsApp group, it's not my problem. Nowadays, I don't explain all this anymore. What you go and read yourself, Matish. Okay, so again, guys, you see what I'm trying to say here is a certain amount only can decolorize the vitamin, only can decolorize the DCPIP. Yeah. Okay. Last time there's a lot of all these questions, but now rarely see. This one I'll be covering. This are a question I'll be covering again in scheme later on. Guys. Okay, conduct experiment. Let's say conduct experiment to determine vitamin C. I cannot just teach you how to say like what's the DCPIP solution? As long as the blue color is no more there, then it's okay. So actually, yeah, as long as it's decolorized, because your orange juice will still be orange. Guys, I'm teaching you based on this question here, easier to teach, if not very hard to teach, you know. And one thing I want to mention, again, confirm what I teach here will vary a bit from your actual experiment one. So please pandai. It's like AdMaths. Your MS teacher teach you the formula how to apply, but the numbers all will be different in exam one. Okay. Okay, so straight to the point. I'm teaching you based on this question. Problem statement. Use back. What is the vitamin C content in various fruit juices. Guys, what do you think is the objective here? The DCPIP I did in school experiment field. Yeah, Matish, quite tedious one, That's why I'm worried about how you handle the apparatus again. The energy value, I'm not worried. Potato strip, I'm not worried. This one, I'm worried. Straight away take and copy. Hypothesis, different vitamin C. Yeah, if Lin can. Different vitamin C, different fruit juice, different vitamin C. Variables, the type of fruit juice, corresponding the amount of fruit juice to decolorize. Fix is the amount of DCPIP so that your result is accurate. Okay, procedure. Now, guys, did your teacher, what is the percentage of ascorbic acid? What is the percentage of ascorbic acid that your teacher let you do experiment? If you did the experiment. Normally 0.1. Normally 0.1%. Guys, prepare 0.1%. Okay, prepare 0.1% ascorbic acid. Okay, add 1 ml DCPIP in the test tube. Now, depending on your wait. Why? Weipin, you refer to the group I got mentioned. Scheme 2.0, you refer to the group I got mentioned. Okay. Okay, guys, now, so add 1 drop of 0.1% vitamin C. Check. Again, add 1 drop of vitamin C and then shake. Repeat until decolorized. Repeat until decolorized. Okay. Now, guys, the first few steps here, and I'm sure whatever reference book whatever reference book you use will be the same. The first 4 steps here is to let you know how much vitamin C is needed to decolorize 1 ml DCPIP. Did you all do this in school before you started the testing using the fruit juice? Record amount used. Now, yes, definitely one. Because, okay, so guys, so assuming 1 ml, again, this is based on how you do it in school. Assume 1 ml is needed. Okay, assume 1 ml is needed. So we record 1.0. We record 1.0. Repeat step 1 to 5, same thing. Okay. We did this experiment, but the results is not obtained. What do you mean results not obtained? You shouldn't you shouldn't be shaking it like it's the end of the world. It should be just letting it move sideways lah. Not like that up down. Right? It's like that up down wrong already. Yeah. Yeah, like the world going to end like that, yeah. Melody, this is the not fruit juice. Ascorbic acid is a vitamin C. Ascorbic acid is prepared vitamin C, not fruit juice. Means we still can control the percentage. Teacher, can we actually insert the syringe into the solution? By right cannot lah. By right lah. Just yeah. My teacher no give ascorbic acid. Then I do not know lah, guys. I do not know how to do the experiment. You let me finish first, guys. Then you get why this step is so damn important. Hey, tengok dulu. Repeat the same thing. We drip the vitamin C. We drip the vitamin C until it decolorizes. Okay. The reference book said we cannot shake the solution very hard. Yes, Evelyn, correct. That's why I say don't shake like it's the end of the world. Just it's swirl. Actually, it's swirl, you know. Swirl, move a little bit, move sideways. Don't do this, guys. Say bye-bye to your Amali if you do that. Yeah, and Dinesh, don't shake the wrong. Okay, now so average this much, and then let's say this much vitamin C got 1 milligram of, let's say 1 ml of the solution got 1 milligram of the vitamin C. So from this controlled experiment, it is very important. I know that I need this much vitamin C to decolorize this much DCPIP. Okay? Hold on, I'm still not done. You still can't see it yet, trust me, you still can't see it yet. So guys, from the very first row here, I know that I need, from the first row here, I know that I need this much vitamin C to decolorize this much DCPIP. Okay? Now, I repeat with fruit juices, the last part already, the last one. Guys, I use pineapple juice. Shake. This one, this PowerPoint took me weeks to prepare because very hard to do this one. Very hard to do the effect. Okay, the moment decolorize, I record 3.2 ml. And then guys, if I were to ask you straight, okay, look here, hey, listen guys, this one is most important. This is the most important thing. So if let's say 1 ml of vitamin C got 1 milligram of vitamin C, contains exactly 1 milligram. Actually 1 ml, 1 mg the same. 3.2, if here is 3.2, how much is this? If you can answer this correctly, your whole experiment is safe. Wow, guys. Wow. Oh my God, guys. Okay, how many people answered? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 people answered. Nobody got correct. 0 people got correct this one. Okay, again, listen. You see, I need this much pineapple juice. Cannot determine yet because experiment haven't finished. No. Got value. Guys, listen. If I need this much, Agnes, no. If I need this much of pineapple juice to decolorize 1 ml DCPIP, it means that, guys, tell me again, what is DCPIP is to test for what? DCPIP is to test for what? Vitamin C. Wow, Jeremy, I clap for you. Jeremy, I clap for you. You got the answer already. Oh, whoa, Xiqing, how you get that? 0.031251, my total man. Hey, this is to test for vitamin C. Guys, if this much pineapple juice can decolorize this 1 ml DCPIP, I know that in this much pineapple juice, got this much vitamin C, 1 milligram. Sebab from just now, the first control experiment, we have already determined we need 1 milligram vitamin C to decolorize 1 ml DCPIP. It's not the juice that matter, it's the vitamin C. Okay, I know half of you still don't get it one. Very normal. Because I've been teaching you for 10 years already. Bottom line, the moment this fella decolorize, bottom line, the moment this fella decolorize, it means your juice got this much vitamin C. So how you know? Just now we did the experiment. Justin, you got it? I know half of the students here don't get it yet. It's very normal, guys. Okay, again. I repeat until you get it. So same thing, guys. I drip, shake, decolorize. So let's say this is 3.2 lah, average 3.2 lah. So listen, on average, listen, I'm using all sorts of sentences to make you get it because some students only can relate to certain form of sentence. Okay, look. So on average, I finally got it. Yay! I'm so happy. It's not easy. Okay, guys. Now, on average, this much pineapple juice got this much vitamin C. So how you know? Because once I use this one decolorize. And the only way for this fella to decolorize is if I use 1 milligram vitamin C. I'm out of ideas already. Okay, guys, one last one. Then I start to this stuff, the actual scheme. Yeah, guys, if you do not know what's going on, please read back the WhatsApp message. Yeah. Okay, last one. Lime, drip, shake. It means 3.2 ml pineapple juice have 1 milligram vitamin C. Yeah, Melody, you also got it already. Every 3.2 ml have 1 milligram vitamin C. Yeah, I clap for you also, Kahi. You see, everyone got different sentence one. Guys, I've been teaching this 10 years already. The first year was like shit. So lime, I don't want to say first. Wait, Pin, I say already, then my lesson, my next part is a gone already. Okay, listen, guys. The moment decolorize, I realized that I need 2.4 ml of lime juice in order to decolorize 1 ml DCPIP. Okay, so guys, can you tell me the number here? Can you please tell me the value here? Very good. Wow, guys, I'm so happy there. Melody, Justin, Gwen, good. Yeah, Ziying, Yunhui, Evelyn, one again. Oh yo, Kahi, Chi Cheng, Shuyan, Abdul Halim, Tiyi, Marcus. Wow, very good. Guys, when I use this much lime juice to decolorize 1 ml DCPIP, I know inside this lime juice got this much vitamin C. Because the only way this fella can decolorize, I know. Matish, you're the only one wrong. The only way this fella can decolorize is if there's 1 milligram vitamin C. So on average, listen guys, on average, this much lime juice contain this much vitamin C. Okay, now, okay, last thing that they can, one last thing that they can ask you that they can ask you lah. This one, if you can, you should be fine, Didi. After that, I'm not worried, Didi. After that, I'm not worried, Didi. Because you have understood the toughest part. Guys, one thing that, teacher, if 2 ml DCPIP equals 2 mg of ascorbic acid, yes, it's up to you to fix this one. But normally we use 1 ml. What for you use 2 ml? No need. You use 2 ml, you want to decolorize 2 ml. You take half an hour, 45 minutes. No, guys, don't go and think about 2, 3, 4, 5 ml. Your experiment, how long do you have? One experiment, how long do you have? 40 minutes. Not 45. 40 minutes. 45, right? You only have 45 minutes. Don't. Oh, 5 is to check equipment. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes. Correct. So you all see that way, lah. Correct also. Cannot touch. Okay. 40 minutes, don't talk about 2 ml, 3 ml, 4 ml DCPIP. If 1 ml, so you don't have much time to do. Okay, so guys, one last question. If you can handle this, okay. Which juice has a higher concentration of vitamin C? And I want you to calculate. Ascorbic acid? No, guys. Which juice? You don't drink amino acid. Ascorbic acid juice. Yes, guys. Lime. Yes, very good. All of you put lime. Now, how to justify? Listen, how to justify? So, 1/3.2 times 1 milligram vitamin C. It means that. Wait. Let me just write it out first. Guys, please have a look at this. If they ask you, let's say 2 marks, which juice have a higher concentration of vitamin C? Please don't say, please listen, don't say that, oh, a lesser amount of lime juice got the same amount of vitamin C. No meaning. So make sure they are on the same level. Means all 1 ml. So do the calculation. 1/3.2 multiplied by 1. So this is the value that I get. What does this mean? For every 1 ml of pineapple juice, it contains 0.3125 mg of vitamin C. And as for lime juice, for every 1 ml of lime juice, it contains 0.4 milligram of vitamin C. Okay, guys, I'm done. Are you much clearer now? I'm worried about this one only because trust me, you will suddenly have a realization that, oh shit, actually what is here? Actually what is here? Then on the spot you sure struggle with the one. Evelyn is okay, can. Okay, okay guys, I'll just stop this one here. Moral of the story, I'll see time carefully next time. No lah guys, if there's nothing, I don't kacau you in WhatsApp one. If there's nothing, I don't kacau you in WhatsApp one. As you all know, I mute the WhatsApp one. I mean, ET group, I don't allow anyone to respond on. Means whatever I put there is damn important, you better take note. If you don't take note, I can't help you with it. Okay, I stop this.